Well, Mr. Clark's planning to buy this one.
You ever been on a sailboat? You ever been on a sailboat?
No.
Yeah. You should take a look at that.
So, you're going to acquire this sailboat?
Yankee Freedom. I was the one that told them about it, and they have it still there now.
Wow. So why are there so many cars parked here? It doesn't add up.
No, they went out on the boats. They went out on their boats.
Oh yeah, yeah.
To the keys.
Oh, I see.
How are you?
You know, some hookers and a fish here. Look at the starfish, Davey. Look at the starfish. It's beautiful. I didn't know Jamaica had starfish.
Hey, have you ever seen the two guys, right, from the little green sailboat? When was the last time they were down here? Early last year.
Two of them one time, just one of them. And then about another 3-4 months after the next one come.
But them just, why they bother to buy the boat?
Ooh, there's an airplane.
About 2 or 3 times was
Idiots. Just wait.
So it's been sitting there for an entire year?
More than that now.
That is terrible. But he's gonna check out the starfish.
Can I touch it?
Starfish.
With a starfish.
Don't stick it there. Just...
What exactly is it going to check out?
Just to see if it.
Alive?
Yeah.
It's alive.
What's next to it?
It feels like a rock to me, so they put.
Wait, I'm gonna turn this around. Okay, wait. Yeah, that's what they're like. But I've never seen an orange one.
Yeah, I never see the orange one.
I've only seen purple.
So they just act dead.
Yeah, it might be dead though. Oh my God, Darby, look! Mr. Clark! Come check out the puppies! Puppies! Really cute little puppies right here. Maybe you can give them something. Yeah.
Yeah, nice and big and fat. Yeah.
That is
It's funny to see those eyes.
It's funny to see such a fluffy little puppy in Jamaica.
Yeah, like a husky.
Yeah, I bet it's really hot.
Yeah. There's a bigger dog, that must be the mother.
Yeah. They look hot.
The security guard's place.
Yeah. There he is. How many puppies do you have left? Just one puppy? I can give you some biscuits to feed them. Dog biscuits. Alright.
Here we go. It looks hot though.
Yeah, man, you can't make the mother feel lonely.
Oh, he lives in there, Dad. He lives in there. This is a different kind.
Yeah.
The dog is coming to you.
Okay.
Hello. She's friendly and peaceful.
And not so friendly. One sec.
She really looks hot.
Walk down. Walk down. Come on. Hello.
Oh, there's a little puppy under there. Oh God, that's cute. Look at that. Oh, did you see the puppy?
Okay. No, I'll bring you some more. I'll bring you some more. Throw all of that in one thing. And I'll bring you some more.
How did she get such a fluffy puppy? Who is the father?
Well, some other dog, a mongrel dog. It's a mixed breed.
Oh.
But she come from a good breed, you know.
Oh, really? 2 of them only? Was the other one fluffy like that?
Yeah, 6 before them too.
Oh, wow.
How many?
6 before.
And what happened to those ones?
I give away those.
Yeah. You have a container for water for them? Because I have water there. Okay. Oh, so they're eating out of the same one.
They haven't eaten in 2-3 days? Is that what he said?
He says no, it will take them about 2-3 days. Well, here,
Oh,
hold
to
on
finish
this.
it.
Hold on to the rest of it, see? And where is the water? Those 2 little drums, you don't want to trust this water in there. You're okay, you're sure. Alright, if you say so. But the puppy is really nice. It's really, really
So
nice.
cute. You're not allowed pets at Ocean Towers, are you?
Huh?
I think you're not allowed pets at Ocean Towers. There's a parrot. Wow, it's amazing how he looks right at you.
Right at me. Very
That is
connect.
a cheeky. Man, it bites on your finger. You know, he was a. Hey, and you're trying to figure out who this character is. Hello. You're not saying anything.
Inside. Yeah, man.
This is a different guy than the one that was here before.
Yeah, but this one out half and him Riso love everything inside now.
In charge?
Yeah, and yeah,
Okay.
Riso love everything.
He laughs.
Yeah.
You can do it for him.
And inside.
Oh, he's shy. Oh, he's shy. That's why he's not doing it.
Why?
The other one, what happened to the other one? Just drop dead? just turn over book? Yeah.
What do I know?
Staring right at me, you know.
I know, it's crazy.
The amount of, you know, I mean, those ships are really getting extremely big.
Yeah. This is a problem we have out west too.
Oh, jeez. I never thought of that. Hello. Oh. Hello.